Otto, do you have a body? Where is it? Looks like you just are a head. That's kind of strange. How you doing, Moj? Eyes kind of gooky? Yeah. Oh, they're so cute. Here's Abby. Say hi to Allie. Abby. I'm gonna have to follow you. Abby, come look at the big dog. There you are. Abby, look up here. She's camera shy. Oh, big yawn. Getting a little skinny. Yeah. Says bye to the little dogs. Bye. There's your body. Moji, you're literally sitting and wagging your tail on Otto when Otto doesn't seem to care. Otto! Otto, say hi to your mother. Oh, looking pretty good. Bye-bye.